Hello everyone, welcome back to Explaincad. In previous video we created this part in Sheetmetal. Today we created its 2D drawing. So let's start. First of all, select file, make drawing from part, select sheet format. I select A3 ISO, select OK. First of all, we drag its flat pattern, select OK. Now select insert, tables, bend table, and select this view. From here you can select the bends according to alphabetically, or you can also select by numbering numerical control. I select alphabetically, select OK, and drag here this bend table. Now go to sketch, select line, draw line from here to here, right click, select option, select this line and select fix, select OK. Now go to view petal and select front view, right view, bottom view, select OK. Now select its isometric view. Now select annotation, smart dimension, select this, its length. First of all, we dimensioning the sheet of the flat pattern. Right click, select option. Now select again smart dimension. In front view, we give the dimensioning here. From here to here, it's 200, and from here to here, it's 350. This circle, 50 mm, 60 mm. The distance from here to here also 50 mm, and from here to here and from here to here 40 mm. Same here, 100 mm, 175 mm, and this one 80 mm, 120 mm, 40 mm, and this one also 40 mm. Right click, select option. The size of this edge flange is 80 mm. These holes 40 mm. From here to here also 40 mm. Select this view and change its scale. Use custom scale. I select user defined, and here 1:7. Select OK. Now we create 2D drawing of this holes. So we select back view, and here select OK. Annotation, hole call out. Select this hole, 5 mm, dia 5 through. Right click, select option, smart dimension. Distance from here to here 180, 140. This one is also 140. Right click, select option. This was this 2D drawing of sheet metal part. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.